Ang hindi lumalabas na statistic dyan, ha, 30 minutes ang bawat set.
Oo nga.
Kahaba, no? Pero ganda ng bakbakan ito. Ito yung mga Air Force, umarangkada, no?
That's why, ang maganda dito, yung Air Force, no, nag-usap-usap sila, they communicated, their floor defense worked well. Naka-atake sila 17-10. 4 blocks, we saw that towards the end of that third set. Service, and look, pero diba, pero marami silang unforced errors, but still, mas maganda yung laro nila, especially towards the end of that third set. They played as a team.
Yung request mo, Ging Balse, yung ano, yung ganon, tapos umiikot pa.
Yeah.
Ayan. Mas maganda yung gig. Mamaya, akala ko tuloy-tuloy na, pero wala, hindi nabuti. Eto na, arangkada na tayo sa ating fourth set. Pero expected to, ha? Hindi kami gulat.
Oh, yeah.
Anong tamang ginawa ng Air Force ng last set? Sa basa mo?
You know, for me, aside from the fact they were attacking better because of better floor defense, ang Army yung nag-meltdown eh. Sila yung medyo parang, that's what Salak said, di ba? Sabi na, hindi kayo nag-uusap. Air Force just, they blocked, they stood their ground in terms of the way they played, but it's Air Force who committed the error.
Very good point. In the meantime, action continues. This is a delightful game, and look at that. Ortiz got a slice of it. You know, I think we haven't given enough credit to Micah Ortiz's blocking abilities. Fun family pieces gotta be shakies.
Well, Ortiz came to life. Alam mo, it became parang a UST combination because it was Caballero and Ortiz. They were the ones who worked hard.
Hindi makulangan pang nagseset, ano?
Oo. Well, they're the top scorers in that set. Caballero with 12, Ortiz with 4, Balse 5, and Dakis just with 3.
In the meantime, touch of the net by the Air Force. Ooh!
Oh, good cover by Salak.
Balse sends it to the back row. Caballero, free ball.
Oh, no. That's long.
Pero it had the right idea to go to the corner.
Yeah, that was a perfect set.
Akala mo hindi na niya abutin yung basa niya ng mga kanto. Ooh, Gonzaga! Became a defensive game yung third Here's Balse. First 2 sets going the way of the Army.
Oh, nagulat pa.
Yes. Torres applauding her teammates. Di makulanga. Ooh,
wow!
Casas. That's the Joy Casas we know.
That's right. That's a tough angle. Cross-court.
Sabi ko, uy, kaya, no? Pero sabi ko, first 2 sets, nakuha na baka ma-exceed. Then suddenly, nabuhay ang Air Force. May aura ang Air Force, lalo na naka 5 straight wins sila.
Tsaka may hanger.
Oo, siyempre. Pwede magpahinga ang aeroplano. Samantala, it's 5-2. Air Force trying to make Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Getting ahead of the story. Caballero. Ooh, Balse stretching. Salak with a push set. Maalog yung net. Wala. Caballero. Ito ang ginagawa ni Judy kanina pa.
Yeah.
Sige, ate. Pagpatuloy mo.
Yeah. Sa'yo na yung pizza mamaya.
Yan. Axel ang aming official outfitter dito sa Shakey's V-League. Napanood nyo dito sa GMA News TV. Samantala, Bunag. Binukot. Caballero. Sige, blocking nyo ako buong araw. Blocking nyo ako ng blocking. Semana. Umalis. Caballero. Winalis.
Wow, another good rally.
Casas. Wala lang sa pwesto.
Pero you can see, no? Ivan, you're right yung aura ng Air Force, parang they're enjoying, di ba? They're talking, communicating. Pero medyo parang gray dito sa air ng Army.
About to may have been called for that, but that'll go. Oh, Caballero!
She's in the zone today.
They're just playing above everybody else here in terms of smartness. Bunag. Hindi pinagbigyan. Oh, sandali. Ano tawag?
Lifting.
Yep, they got the call. They got the call that they wanted. Kung kala ni Coach Clarence, hindi niya makukuha yung tawag. Clarence Esteban suddenly sat down when the referee changed his mind.